Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you one setting which I face a little problem and finally I find out. Okay, so here is my requirement. Like here I have a visual of PNL values. Okay, and here I have another measure. Okay, so what I want when I select a particular measure, like I choose net sales. So if you see behind, there is a little bar is there. Okay, the little bar is there everywhere. You see, but what I wish or what I want, when my user select a particular measure from here, so the behind things are completely just goes off. So whatever the visual has been selected here, it will only selected on this visual, not anything else. Okay, so let's see how we solve this query. Here if we select this visual and if we go to format and we have to go to edit interactions. Okay, and if you see there is a filter button is visible here. Okay, yeah, so if I select here the filter. Okay, so let me try. Oh sorry, yeah, here is the filter is there. Okay, so if I select like nothing has been there, everything has been unselected. Okay, in this edit interaction there are three settings. One is this one, nothing will happen. Okay, and the second one is this one, where only the highlighted ones are visible, the default view. Okay, and the final one is filtered view. So whenever my user selected this settings, it will uh, it will change accordingly, not the behind bars. Okay, not the default bars. Default bar is this one, and the user selected one is this one. So now this is a setting, and that's how you can solve this this kind of an issue. I hope it will help you in your power query journey. Thank you so much.